hamburger bought in Kroger consists of a label that reads, "No antibiotics, no hormones," or how millions of children every day are supplied with chicken nuggets as part of their school lunch, or even while livestock producers are required to follow certain procedures when producing meat, eggs, milk, and fiber from livestock? The answers to all those questions are because of the efforts of animal scientists who work to improve the growth, genetics, nutrition, well-being, and production of livestock species, all for human benefit. In Virginia, animal scientists work to better understand genetics in order to create better breeding stock for livestock species. In cattle, genetic improvement programs have allowed breeders to select livestock with better milk as well as better birth and weaning weights. In the Red Angus cattle breed, a disease has recently been found known as osteopetrosis, or marble bone disease. Animal scientists grouped together and discovered the genetic mutation that caused this deadly illness. They then developed a DNA test to uncover the hidden carriers of this disease, thus decreasing the mortality rate and increasing the production rate of this meat cattle breed. Although this may come as a surprise, cattle are not Virginia's #1 agricultural export. Broiler chickens rank at the top of Virginia's agricultural exports list. And animal scientists like Dr. Daniel Fletcher at the University of Connecticut are working hard to improve the processing practices of broilers. Their research is aimed to discover the effects of early processing practices, such as how the birds are handled, gas killing, electrical shock, and stunning, on the quality, color, and shelf life of the meat. Their research has and will continue to affect the broiler processing practices and livestock welfare in general here in Virginia and also around the United States. Broiler processing practices are not the only livestock management practices that are under scrutiny. Animal scientists at the Tidewater Agricultural Research and Extension Center in Virginia are studying the soil nutrients and compost produced on swine farms. These farms mainly use composting as a way to dispose of dead pigs. These scientists are studying the impact that the compost has on the soil and of how to better get rid of the waste generated on swine farms. You see, the decomposing pigs release harmful toxins into the soil, which could then contaminate lakes, rivers, and streams, among other bodies of water. Animal scientists are bettering the welfare of humans through studies like these. Many humans, however, cannot see the benefits of research in the animal science field. These people only see the mistreatment of animals that are subject to inhumane poking and prodding. These organizations, such as People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, also known as PETA, cannot see the pros of such research. Better animal management practices, healthier food for human consumption, or simply producing enough food to feed the many people living in the United States today. As the number of people in the United States and the world continues to climb, more food will have to be produced to feed more hungry mouths. Animal scientists will have to develop ways, possibly through genetics, to increase the growth rate of meat breeds. Milk, fiber, and eggs will also have to be produced at a faster rate. As more technology becomes available, animal scientists will be able to identify the causes of and fabricate tests and cures for certain diseases. The husbandry of livestock raised for human consumption will continue to be criticized by certain groups, so animal scientists will have to persevere in finding ways to improve animal well-being while still being able to keep up with demand. The field of animal science breaks down many challenges and barriers daily, yet these obstacles are met with great minds and determination. As animal science breaks down many hindrances, the benefits that both livestock and humans receive will abound. Perhaps even an Virginia animal science discovery will help my friend Cheddar as she begins to produce offspring. My name is Lindsey Fenster. These are my animals, and I'm proud to be a part of Virginia agriculture.